I have found there is one shop. They have couple of goats, but they are very small in sizes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am here right now in Urdaneta City Cattle Livestock Market. So here you can see it. They have plenty of here cows. So all the sheds, it's exactly resemblance to me like in Dubai Cattle Market and Sharjah, especially Al Qasas. It's exactly same, reminding me the same, exactly the shed, the way how they made it. So you can see it over here. So we'll go inside. So it's not such a big cow, it's just only a small to medium.
This one is 42.
No way. Your price is exaggerated, my friend.
Ma'am, di asking price kumot lang aja ma'am. Naman di kaya yung iba gayo ma'am. Ta mga aja fixed price dato ito mo lang amol nga naka fixed price. No ato ma'am kasi pangarigan dai to excuse man sa man ato magsit. No dato kas pangarigan ma'am, maluti kayam.
That is calf. That is a baby.
Yes, calf.
Yeah, but 6 months.
How much?
He's asking
32,000.
32 this man.
Yes, pre-deliver will give
Let's
you
move.
tali.
Let us don't waste our time. Let's move. Thank you, brother. He's kidding, he's joking. They don't want to sell. My friend, you will keep this stock with you. They are exaggerated with prices, my friend. The calf only selling the 32,000 for the God's sake. How much is 28?
No,
Here, the bigger one, sir. That one.
How much that?
This one, that one.
ugly.
This one?
Yes. It's very nice, girl.
How much?
Talking for
My friend,
Baka maubusan ako ng English speaking.
she is much more healthier than that.
Speak English, you know. I came from schooling of Brunei. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. You like that one, sir?
My friend, which
My
you are
friend.
telling, that is already bones, my friend. That is not a healthy cow. Which one is 28? That is the healthy cow. So you are opposite. Yani which one have a weak? You are telling that is beautiful. How come? That is the bones is appearing. This one is the healthier one. The where is the 28? Yeah.
How
How much is this one? 28?
This one, sir?
Yes.
You talk to my manager, sir. There.
Yes, brother. 28. How much?
How much that 28? Tag, air tag 28.
41.
Oh, my friend.
How much is the cost, sir? You
my
tell
friend,
your price, sir.
this is honestly 25, 26. Not more than that.
25, 26.
Yes. I study the market price, okay?
Yeah.
So that's why I came over here just to explore the market. I am the foreigner here, right?
Yeah.
So don't expect that I don't have the market prices experience.
Yes,
Your prices is more than yani, like 30-40%.
Oh, yes, sir.
Like this cow is easily you can get it 25, 26.
Oh, yes, wait, sir. Wait. You talk to my manager, sir.
You know, a vlogger here. So I will promote your what is your shed number here?
There.
What is the number? Yes, so I am here Danish Cattle, right?
Yeah.
Danish Cattle Trader, this is the number. Okay. So you have to be reasonable with the price, right?
That one, sir. That one.
Manager is good. Yes, Mr. Manager.
Numero.
Don't go, my friend, beyond the prices.
Ito, sir. Magkasi magkaroon tayo may ito yung duwa. Diba?
This how much?
You like to hear price, sir? This to?
This two how much? Full and final prices. Just yani like you wanted to sell this one right now.
Final decision.
Yeah, final decision.
60.
Not 60. Hana, what do you say?
60.
No way. No.
How much?
No way.
How much?
Maximum 35.
This two.
Yes. Yes.
Good. You're
I am joking. Yes. Now I am joking, but you are also joking. Because I give you the answer by my joking.
Joking.
No, honestly, in front of God, logically, this one and this one is not more than 45. Maximum. Okay, my friend, we will just move around. We will come back. Thank you so much your time. These are the bulls. This is the nice one. Yes, my friend, this is for sale. Who is the owner? Yes, selling. Nobody asked them. What? This was slaughtering? Sure. But they are huge. This I like them. She is beautiful. Is he or she? He. Yes, Pare. ¿Cómo está?
Mabuti.
Gandang umaga. This for you?
No.
Which one is yours? Okay, so I will come here. You have three. This male or female? Female. How much?
You buy?
Yes.
It costs only 55,000.
This one 55, but this one, yeah.
Female.
Female. How many years?
3 to 4 years.
3 to 4 years. 55. And the next one?
Next one 7,000.
70,000. Yeah, actually these are the cows, yani you can expect. So these are actually beautiful cows which I had seen so far. Rolly, the last one is how much? 50,000, right? The middle one you said 70, right? The middle one. Alright. So I'm very happy that I had visited this place. So I'm glad that finally we had visited so far the cattle market and having experience locally here in Urdaneta, Pangasinan, Philippine. So hope you guys will like this my video and give me thumbs up and likes and share, and at least you have the idea about the local market pricing in cattle market Urdaneta. So these are the random prices which actually they are not much more shops over here. So there was two on and here, and there are a couple of people over here. So I have discovered some prices. So you had already noted down the prices over here about the cows, the male and female. So please give me your comments about the pricing, especially so because I'm the foreigner over here and a bit little idea about the market pricing. So just give me your honest comment and comments below about the pricing, that how those prices, how these prices are. Is it really considering the market pricing, or they are exaggerated, or they are economical? So just let me know, because honestly I had just randomly not randomly, so many views we had views on online, but of course you can judge only on the picture itself, that how the body of the cow itself. So I felt the prices over here is a bit little higher, not a bit little higher, exaggerated high prices. So please below me comments and let me know And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, Daily Life Stuff. Thank you so much. God bless you. Assalamu alaikum.